Happy birthday, little one.
Wow.
Wow! Thank you, Dad. This is the best gift ever.
You are most welcome, my dear. I will win. We'll see.
Speed up, come on!
Taste a little bit of this.
How dare you trick me!
Oh, that wasn't enough? Then I'll upgrade the intensity this time. No! Thank you, everyone.
I lost.
It's okay, you tried your best. Good night.
It's my fault. That's why I lost.
It's okay, I will upgrade you. I have a surprise for you.
Thank you, Dad.
Get ready for another taste of defeat. Things have changed now.
Speed up, come on!
Taste a little bit of this.
That trick is old. Watch this.
This is the finisher. All power.
I won!
Congratulations.
Did I really lose?